So here's the problem. Damage happens to racks almost daily, but it can take up to weeks or months to see it repaired. This is the damage delay gap. It's the gap of time between when the damage happens and when the damage is finally repaired. The damage delay gap can lead to danger and injury. It can also lead to catastrophic failure of your rack. The damage delay gap can also lead to loss of millions of dollars in inefficiency over your network. It can also lead to delay and downtime and labor inefficiencies all throughout your system. The secret that the number 1 and the number 5 largest warehouse systems have is 24-hour rack repair from Upright Warehouse Solutions, where repairs can happen to damaged rack in as little as 24 hours. They have eliminated the damage delay gap. So no leaving rack unrepaired. Your entire system is sporting thousands of tons of weight, gambling with the value of your inventory for weeks while your system is out of engineering spec, just hoping that the rack won't fail. No emptying whole bays of their inventory. No relocating to new locations. No reprogramming of warehouse management systems. No using tons of valuable floor space for inventory that's unnecessary, causing all sorts of downtime and delays. The big warehouses don't settle for weeks or weaker. It can take weeks for the traditional repair kit to be made. It needs to be measured, it needs to be cut, steel needs to be bent, it needs to be welded, it needs to be painted, it needs to be shipped to you finally weeks later. Or weaker, there are off-the-shelf kits that are made out of Chinese steel which can contain boron or slag, two substances known to cause hydrogen cracking or brittle microlyzed substructures that under load could cause catastrophic failure. These Chinese deficiencies have been documented by the American Iron and Steel Institute. The secret weapon of the number 1 and number 5 warehouse systems is 24-hour rack repair from Upright Warehouse Solutions. But how do they do it? Upright's 20-minute miracle. We can manufacture a kit in just 20 minutes using our patented process right here in the United States. Our system is 100% modular and it's patented. We can get you the right footplate, the right punch style, the right height, the right steel gauge, the right type of steel that will match or exceed the current engineering of your system. We then surge our techs to your location, and in as little as 24 hours, we can have your damage repaired. This eliminates the damage delay gap, downtime, and dangerous damage. We're talking about American innovation. We're talking about a made in America proud product. Join the 24-hour rack repair revolution. Switch like the big warehouse systems are doing and eliminate the damage delay gap with 24-hour rack repair. Upright Warehouse Solutions ends the damage delay gap. Contact us today to start your revolution with warehouse safety and efficiency.